Certified by the National Weather Association. Weather from where you live.
Well, a wave of light snow is approaching. It'll be less than 1 inch and generally speaking traced to about a ½ inch of snow for the most part. You can see it kind of forming off to the west, kind of congealing here in west central Illinois. And it's all kind of drifting eastward. So this will put down a thin layer on mainly secondary roads and bridges and overpasses in the morning. So a little bit on the slick side. I think there'll probably be a pretty narrow band down here in southern Indiana that gets 1 to 2, but I'm doubtful we'll get anything over 1 inch in our viewing area. In the meantime, though, as you get up early tomorrow morning, be prepared for some of that snow, even though temperatures will be in the upper 20s. Still some slick spots. To the maps we go tonight. There is the Wednesday forecast. 28 in the morning. There's some of that snow at noon. We start to get a little sun, and we're partly cloudy at 5. 38. Winds out of the north at 10 to 20 miles an hour. So what little snow there is, it will melt very rapidly. So after this little wave of snow, generally in the 3 a.m. to 9 a.m. time frame, of less than 1 inch. Another wave of light snow with perhaps a little very minor accumulation Friday evening. And then we've got the coldest weather in generally about 3 weeks around here as we head for the weekend, and then rain, ending us some snow as we edge towards Valentine's Day. There's your wave of light snow that will pass tonight, but boy, it's in and out in a pretty big hurry. By afternoon, we're clearing out, and then we'll have a mostly clear night tomorrow night, dropping near 20 with some pretty heavy frost to deal with early on Thursday morning. Snowfall, again, this model's cranking out about 1/4 inch of snow. I think some places will get a ½ inch, others maybe a trace or 1/10 inch. So it's not necessarily a lot of snow, but these little very minor snows are the ones that cause all the accidents, because it's just a very thin layer of ice on area roadways. So we're talking upper 20s to right around 30 tonight for the low. 30 Crawfordsville, 28 Lafayette, 27 Monticello and Logansport. We're headed for 34 tomorrow up towards Denver, 35 Logansport, 36 Remington, about 38 Lafayette, 39 to Attica and Crawfordsville. The second wave of light snow will likely get in here later on Friday evening after a pretty mild Thursday with 41. But this is a strong cold front. There's a chunk of pretty cold air, Arctic air up here in central and eastern Canada. We're not going to get an Arctic blast, but it's pretty potent cold air with that little front that'll ring out a little light snow Friday evening. But it's only 26 windy, but at least we'll have sun on Saturday. And then on Sunday it starts to warm up. We're back at 36, 43 Monday, 43 on Valentine's Day. A little light rain arriving during the evening. And after rain and 46 early Wednesday, we fall all day. May end as some minor accumulating snow with a stiff wind out of the northwest. 38 tomorrow, 41 Thursday, 37 on Friday. Pretty cold Saturday, 13 Saturday night, early Sunday morning before it warms up again into the 40s on next week. And then Valentine's Day, again, 46 early, or pardon me, the day after Valentine's Day, 46 early, then falling. We'll get some snow likely the day after Valentine's Day.
Well, it's February, it's a new month. Let's take that away, and a lot of snow coming, maybe. Well, little bits of chunks.
Crossing fingers for some people. Some people like this.
Okay, all right, thanks, Chad. Well, I tell you what, the Boilermaker